been doing a lot of yard work lately. So instead of trying to use my lawnmower for a bush hog, which is what I've been doing, I've heard from a friend that you can buy these brackets online at Amazon. So what it is these brackets will allow you to have the blades overlap with each other. So I'm going to take the old mulching blades off of this lawnmower, and I'm going to see if they'll fit my other lawnmower and see if I can't use these mulching blades in tandem with the regular blades on this mower. I'm going to see if they'll fit. First, I got to take them off here. There's two types of lawnmower blades. Well, there's several types of lawnmower blades out there. So I don't know if the opening or the hole for these blades will match up these blades. So first I got to take them off, see if they fit. If they fit, then I'm going to see if I can run them. Now, if they work, I'll buy a new set of blades, so it's all nice and clean, all that kind of stuff. But let's first see if these blades will come off, and if I can use these to see if it works at all. So it looks like these blades might not work. So if you see the star inside the blade, the blades on that lawnmower, it's a circle, not a star like this. So I don't think I'm going to be able to use these. It has a potential of spinning on it, but at the same time, another thing to think about is with the shaft fitting right down the middle of it, some people might want to go ahead and see if they can get away with it and put the bolt right down the middle of it. So you got a bolt, you can put it right down the middle of it, but see, this one will move. It's got a lot of movement inside of it. So if that bolt will hold steady and true inside this one, maybe we can get away with it. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's find out. I'm gonna try to raise the deck as high as I can. See if I can't get underneath the deck. Nope. Okay. If I can't get any there, can't get any there as well. So what we might have to do is lift it up on the front end. See if it'll raise the whole lawnmower up. And because I like my life, put some jack stands underneath it. So I'm going to go ahead and put these jack stands, if I can. No, I cannot. Cannot put it underneath the deck. So what is the highest it'll go? So it'll go just underneath the frame mount for the deck attached to the lawnmower. Okay, so we'll lower it just down a little bit to put the weight on the jack stands. Okay, but we'll leave the floor jack there just in case something slips and falls. Okay, so that's that. Now let's see if we have a socket that fits this one underneath here. I can already tell we do not. This is a 15 millimeter and a 14 millimeter, and that has got to be at least 7/8 or 11/16. There it is. So it's a size 24 socket. Since this is a deep socket, I can't use this one, so I gotta use this one right here. Different impacts for different purposes. Okay, so we got that blade off. So that blade's actually starting to crack the way I've been using it. So maybe not too horribly out of sharpness. What's this other one? So this blade, see that? Nice snug fit. So I wonder, ooh, nice snug fit. So this could actually get mounted like that. But at the same time, the blades are too long. So I don't think it'll fit. So this bracket right here, this bracket's been out right there. And then that bracket right there. So it allows it to fit just like that. So I'm gonna have to order some actual blades because this won't work. This is too long compared to this. So I'm gonna have to measure it and figure out what size I can actually use because this ain't gonna work. Even though it's nice and taut, I don't think I can use it. So I'll make another video later about when I get the actual blades in and we can see what happens, okay?